Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is lecture number 6. Now it's turn to the English grammar. For today's lecture, in this today's lecture, you will learn the use of since and the for. Use of since and for. We use since and for with the present perfect tense to say how long something has lasted. Since and for जो है हम use करते हैं present perfect tense में किस लिए कि काम कितनी देर तक जारी रहा, काम कितनी देर तक जारी रहा. We use for to mention the length of the period of time. To length of the period of time. For हम किस लिए use करते हैं? Length of the period of time के लिए. किस लिए? Length of the period of time. So look at the, for example, 2 hours, 6 months, many years. 2 hours, 6 months and many years. And look in the sentence. Shamsa has lived in this house for 10 years. Shamsa has lived in this house for 10 years. Now, what is for 10 years? For 10 years means, for 10 years is the length of the period of time. मतलब शम्सा 10 साल से इस घर में रह रही है. शम्सा 10 साल से इस घर में रह रही है, यानी कि this is 10 years is showing the length of the period of time. This is why we used here for. Means she lived in this house for 10 years. For 10 years is the length of the period of the time. Now it's turn to the since. We use since to mention the starting point of the period. यानी कि जिस period से काम start हुआ है, we show just starting time. In that place we will use since. In that place we will use since. Look at the example. Aslam has painted 2 pictures since morning. Since morning. Aslam ने 2 pictures paint की सुबह से. सुबह से since morning. Why we have used since? Because since is telling about the starting period of the time. यानी कि सुबह से. He is not pointing out the length of the period of time, but he is telling just starting point of the time. यानी कि वो उसने 2 pictures सुबह से पेंट की. अगर ऐसे लिखता he painted 2 pictures या Aslam has painted 2 pictures for 8 o'clock. For 8 o'clock means 8 o'clock is the length of the period of time. यानी कि 8 बजे से कर रहा है. We use since because we are just pointing out the time, starting time. Aslam has painted 2 pictures since morning. यानी कि सुबह से कर रहा है. जब आप स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ द पीरियड बताएंगे तो आप सिंस यूज करेंगे, और जब आप लेंथ ऑफ द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम बताएंगे तो आप क्या यूज करेंगे? फॉर. दिस वाज द यूज ऑफ सिंस एंड फॉर. स्टूडेंट, यू विल डू एक्सरसाइज A and C that is given on page number 14 and 15 and wait for the next lecture.